Very good morning, children. I welcome you for the today's session. Today, the date is 3/11/2020, and we are going to discuss a subject science. In the subject, in the science, we are continuing with the lesson 4 animals, their food, and homes. Okay, last class also we have discussed lesson 4 with other topics. Today we are starting with the new topics eating habits of animals, some other animals. Okay, then homes of animals. Today we are discussing eating habits of some other animals, then homes of animals. Shall we start, children? Last class we have discussed about the feeding habits of this lion, flesh eating animals, then grass eating animals, how they'll eat. Today we are discussing some different animals. See, leech, Leech. Okay, feeding habits of other animals. In that first one, leech, leech. Leech suck the blood of the animals with the help of suckers which is attached to the mouth. You can observe in the picture left side the leech how it is sucking the blood from the body, animal body, human body. Okay, it will suck the blood using the help of this one suckers there attached into the mouth itself. Okay, children, leech you can observe it will suck the blood. Then butterfly sucks the nectar. Nectar means a sugar, a sugar syrup like it's liquid present in the flowers. Okay, nectar, nectar. Nectar means a sugar syrup like liquid present in the flowers. Okay, this will the butterfly sucks the nectar from the flowers with the help of tongue. You can observe in the picture how the butterfly is sucking the liquid, the sugar sweet liquid from the flowers. Okay, these two are the different animals. This one, how it will take its food. Now, honeybee. Honeybee also, you are knowing that honeybee also sucks the nectar from the flower. Okay, that sweet syrup from the flower. Same thing as it is like a butterfly. Honeybee also sucks the nectar from the flower. Then, how the spider, how it will eat? You know, everybody is knowing the spider will make a web. Correct? Why it will make a web? It will make a web to catch the insect. Okay, once it make the web, the insects whichever come on the web will get catched into the web. So it will traps the insect using the web, so easily it can eat the insect. Isn't it, children? Observe the picture how nicely it catched a insect using the web. Now few more examples we will see. Earthworm sucks the soil which has a part of dead plants and animals in it. What's the earthworm food? Earthworm will sucks the soil which has a part of dead plants and the animals. Okay, soil will be having a dead plants and animals in it, no? So it will sucks the soil and it will take out those parts and it will eat. Okay, so it will sucks the soil, earthworm. Then elephant uses trunk to eat a food. Okay, whatever we will give, you'll be knowing, no? Sondilu, trunk. Okay, with the help of trunk, an elephant will eat and it will also sucks the water using the trunk. How it will drink the water? It will drink the water up by using the trunk. Then frog. How the frog will catch the insect? Frogs has a very long and sticky tongue. Observe here, children, how long the tongue is. See, frog, how long its tongue. Okay, and it is very sticky, so it helps the frog to catch the insects. Okay, then We'll see homes of animals. Okay, how the human will stay in a house to protect us from the heat, sun, cold, wind, and rain. As it is, animals also need houses for protection from heat, cold, wind, and rain. Okay, there are some natural homes also, children. There are some man-made homes also. Okay, lion, tiger, bear, and all. We cannot make a home for them, wild animals. Okay, they have a natural homes. Even rat also. Okay, few animals will be having natural homes. We'll see one by one. Lion take a shelters in a dens. Okay, you can observe how the lion, the place where the lion take a shelter is called dens. Dens. Dens are like below the stones. Okay, see. Next, rabbits in a burrows. Burrows. See, rabbits in a burrows. They'll make a hole inside the ground. Okay, there itself they'll make a small hole and they'll go inside that, and it is called as a burrows. Okay, this is too natural. Then man-made homes. Horses are kept in stable. Stable, stable. Horses are kept in stable, a compartment made by the man to keep a horses. Okay, horses house is stable. Then cows and buffaloes are kept in sheds. The sheds also made by the man. Okay, you can observe how the shed is made to keep a cows and buffaloes. SHEDS, sheds for cows and buffaloes. Then dogs kept in a kennel, KENNEL, kennel. Okay, the puppy will make a puppy house. No, that is what called kennel. Then pet birds like parrot, pigeon, okay, lovebirds. This and all will keep in cages. These cages are made by man. Okay, birds are kept in cages. Then fishes are kept in an aquarium. We like to see the fishes, no? We'll keep a fishes in an aquarium. You can observe the aquarium. Then hens are kept in a coops. Hens. Okay. Hens are kept in a coops. 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 Okay, children. Here is the end of this lesson. Next class we will see the other one. Thank you, children.